All right, welcome back. We have a special case review for the Nothing Phone 2. This is the Tudia case. I will put a link for this in the description box. We purchased it on Amazon. We do not have any affiliations with them or don't get any kickbacks off of the links that we post. We simply buy these to give you our honest review. And now this is, look, a lot of the cases for this phone, very special phone, very, look, delicate, right? It's got glass all around it, see-through glass in the back, but also glass in the front, right? Now, since this has such a nice looking back, there's not a lot of cases that have, a non-see-through back. So I was trying to find a word, right? So look, most of the cases on Amazon are going to have a see-through back, a clear back. Sort of like these, right? So these are the cases for it. And like 9 out of 10 cases you're going to find on Amazon for this phone are going to be like this. And I do not like these, right? Because they show fingerprints so bad. I mean, look at these. I just don't. I love the phone. I love the way it looks. But these clear backs always get messy, get oily. See the fingerprints on there? Just are a mess. I constantly find myself cleaning them. So I was looking for a case that did not have a clear back. Now, and this is one of them. It's really cool because you can still see through it. And it does have, now these are not cutouts. It's actually clear where the lights are located on the back of the phone. So it does give you, and it feels really, really nice in the hand. It's not cheap and plasticky like these are. It's a smooth plastic, but it feels cheap. This is a nice feeling case. Does have some extra bumper support. Move this to the side for a second. For drop protection. Does have some grooves on either side for your hand, so it's a non-slip grooves. You can tell it has the Tudia engraving right there. You have the cutout for the power button on the right side. On the left side, you have more grooves for the grip, and then you got your volume up, volume down. On top, you have a mic cutout. On the bottom, you have a mic cutout, speaker cutout, and a cutout for the power USB Type-C cable. Now, does this have air pockets? It's kind of hard to tell. Let me turn this flashlight on. It does. So this part in all four corners are hollow. Hollow here, hollow here, hollow there, hollow there. The only concern is this possibly getting yellow over time, but as described, it says a non-yellowing effect. It is a, hang on one second. So, very well constructed. I believe this is TPU. Not too flimsy. Like, it's not the most solid construction you're going to find. But it is a basic case. It's, in my opinion, better than these are. This is the, I believe, which one is it? This is the official one that came with it. So this is a nothing case, I believe. Just pretty as basic as you can get. So this does provide some better protection than those others. However, it definitely improves upon one thing, major thing that I really like, and that's the feel, right? The feel of it, the look and the feel of the device. Does it have any lip protection? Let's go ahead and slap it on the phone and see what it looks like. Now they have multiple, I think they have yes, they do have multiple colors with this. They got like a red, a black, different colors that we will get into, that I'll link at the bottom, and then you can go check them out. So if you like this case but want to see it in a different color, they definitely have that option for you. But my goodness, it does look very, very nice. Let's check those cutouts. Nice cutouts on the bottom. Very, very nice looking case. mic cutout is perfect. And you do get some camera protection. Let's look at the cameras. So the cameras sit up and underneath that cutout there. So it will not scratch the cameras if you lay it face down, which is a good thing. It will not scratch on any surface you lay it face down on. Now, let's look. Does it have a... Now, we ordered a glass screen protector. As you can tell, the film screen protector on here is just disgusting. I'm going to peel this off here in a second and apply the... make another video for a glass screen protector for this. But what an absolute mess. Can't wait to peel that thing off. But look, it does give... Oh, I mentioned that because when I do put the glass screen protector on there, it's going to add 0.33, or I guess it's 0.3 millimeters of height up off of the screen. So it should still sit up underneath this lip, probably just barely, but it still should be okay if you lay it face down. When I do that screen protector install, I'll put this case on it and we'll see if the cases come up and over that screen protector. But as of now, with just the stock phone, it does protect the screen, so you're not going to scratch it if you put it face down. Let's hear if it's got any clickiness to it. Does have some clicky. So there is clickiness. You have the... It looks like is it cut out up top? No, it's just, it barely comes up and over the screen, doesn't it? It does not touch on this film screen protector, so the glass ones should be just fine. Now, one of the things, let's see the bumpers, how far they stick out. Not that bad, right? Because I hate those, I kind of hate like this where they stick out, you know, a lot. I don't like that. It looks weird to me, but it does add protection. It just looks weird. But the look and the feel of this is really nice. If you want to use this for indoor usage, office use, gym use, I think this would be fine. Concrete, I'm not 100% sure. I don't think it would survive a long fall on concrete or gravel, but it's possible. I just don't have much confidence in it. So I'll probably choose a more thicker case. If you're using this phone outside, it would probably throw on a dual layer, something that has more material to protect it from a drop on a hard surface like concrete. Another cool thing about this, look, one thing I don't like about this, I got this a few days ago. I used them for a few days, this case, and then I do the review because I find things I like and I don't like. So when you turn the flashlight on, this is one of the things I don't like about clear cases, including these or the frosted cases. Look, there's not that much to choose from with this phone. So this is one of the better ones. But look, if you turn the, let me turn this flashlight off. If you turn the flashlight on, you see how it lights up around this edge? That kind of bothers me because when you have a black Spigen case or a black Caseology case, you don't get that little flare from the flashlight, right? Now, I was like, damn, I don't like that. It kind of looks taggy. It's just a personal thing. It may not bother you, but it does bother me. However, I was messing around with the glyph interface earlier and with this case on, and actually it looks pretty cool. Watch. Which could help in certain instances if you're just looking at your phone. If we go to settings and glyph interface, so when this glyph on the back, when it lights up, let me see if I can get it going. Let's see. So it'll still light up. The cutouts here allow it to, the LEDs to light up. But watch the border of this case when it lights up, when I push one of these lights. You see that hold on, let me turn this light off. Maybe a better look. So So the case will actually light up with the glyph lights on the back. See the bottom right here? Bottom. Top right here. Top right here. So that's actually kind of cool, right? I think it's a different color than the flashlight is a more yellow color, which I don't like. And the glyph is more of a like LED light like you see on a car. Headlight maybe 4K, 4 to 5K as far as on the scale of light. But it looks cool when you have the glyphs going, because if you have it set for if somebody messages you and you have a special custom glyph, it's cool because this case will light up as well. So that, man, that's actually pretty neat. Is it different color than the flashlight? Let's see. Yeah, it is. Look, the flashlight is like a nasty yellow or orange color. That's why I don't like it. And then the glyph is like a white color. So just something cool I thought I would mention in the review of this, that it actually does look cool, because if you get this case in red, or you get it in black, or you get this in blue, it's not really going to have that same effect, right? Because since this is a frosted / clear case, the light will travel through this case, through the TPU. So you can see it. It just adds a little extra something when you're using the device. So just thought that would be neat to, to mention. You don't really see this on too many other devices. So yes, but other than that, I really enjoy it. It's actually really nice to use with this case on it, because it feels nice. That's why I like my Spigen case. That's why I use the Spigen case on my Pixel 8 Pro as my daily driver, because it feels so nice. This is the same feel. The Tudia case feels the same as this rugged armor on the Spigen. So if you know what this one feels like, this is exactly the same feel. That's why I love it. That's why I love to use these. The feel is great, and it does provide some protection inside. But I'm going to get a bigger case for when I take this outside. But off for more testing. I got a camera test coming up. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new, if you enjoy mobile technology, Pixels, Samsungs, anything mobile technology we cover. I'm actually going to go take a whole bunch of pictures with these 3 devices and compile it into a review for a camera review for this. So, as well as the beta, I'm running a full day of using the beta software on here, and it's been awesome. So stay tuned for a review of that as well, an independent review of that as well, and we keep things rolling. I appreciate the time. I appreciate the view. Please have a good weekend, safe weekend, and I will upload something tomorrow. We upload every day here, so expect something from us every single day. So appreciate the time. Take care.